Training camp we went very well. We have good training camp in Florida, and everything went very well. And then now we are here in Quebec, in Canada, to try to show on Saturday. So now I can shock the world.
You're moving up in weight. Do you feel a little bit more comfortable at 175?
I feel more comfortable, and then I want to test the big ball. I want to see if I'm very confident that I can handle the big ball. So I feel very comfortable to move at 175 because fighting in Supreme was so long. Maybe it's the time to move up and try to see, can I handle this guy? Yes, I can. And then on Saturday we will see it.
So, does his power concern you? He's known for knocking out a lot of guys.
He knocked people out. Man, who? Do you ever been knocked out? No. On Saturday, maybe I say knockout pay. On Saturday, we have to see maybe he can get knocked out, and then the one maybe just want to release that pressure for say, yes, he knocked some people out, I can't take that back of you because, to try to fight the champion, and beat him, you have to show, say, you can beat them. And he, because maybe for your opponent out, maybe you want to continue knock people out. Man, nobody never knock me out, Coming on the floor, maybe he can get knocked out.
You lost your world title in your last fight. Are you hungry to get a title back?
Of course, I'm very hungry to get that back, See what happened, losing my world title back, I don't want to put that there, I lose it, It's a great opportunity again to go to light heavyweight and try to take my title back. And I train very hard to try to take my title back.
With all this talk about Kovalev, do you think he's overlooking you?
I don't want to talk about that name because, any press conference, because supposed to be in Sakio Bika Adonis, because, talking about some name, I don't need to talk about because it's just like, Sakio Bika never exists because Sakio Bika, is one of the great champions, if we go went everywhere, anywhere, he fought anywhere in the background, Talking about that name, for me, it's not the time to talk about the name. It's just about the time to get consequence, to try to take this business, try to beat Adonis, and then maybe we can talk maybe about some name. They have so many names, Then we come with the name, and when they can bring the name to, it's the guy you need to fight. I can say, okay, let's do it because again, I never scared to fight nobody, And I don't have no name to put to our and that's And the first thing I want to do is just about to fight Adonis, beat him up. When I beat him up, then the second name will come up. And the second name, I don't know which name they will bring up. I've been ready for everyone.
Ready for everyone. Okay, last question. Prediction for Saturday.
I will take that belt home. I didn't come here to Canada to just become, looking people or give Adonis maybe free win. I'm coming here to take that belt back home. That was I'm prepared for. And then I'm very confident that I will take that belt back home in Australia or in Cameroon.